Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will show you how to start a conversation with non-contacts in WhatsApp web. Follow these simple steps to initiate a chat with someone who is not in your contacts list. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. Type WA Plus for WhatsApp in the search bar. Step 3. Click on the Google Chrome link. Step 4. Download the extension. Step 5. Open WhatsApp. Step 6. Click on the extension from the toolbar. Step 7. When it opens, go to the Enhancement tab, and in the Customization section, check the box next to Enable Start Conversation with Non-Contacts. Step 8. Above the chat list, you will notice a new icon. Click on it to start a conversation. Step 9. Type in the phone number and press Chat. By following these steps, you can easily initiate a conversation with someone who is not in your contacts list on WhatsApp web. This feature allows you to connect with new individuals and expand your network. Enjoy the convenience of reaching out to non-contacts directly through WhatsApp web. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp web tips and tricks. Stay connected and make the most out of your WhatsApp web experience.